Before honey is ever processed, it has to be gently, carefully taken. Each frame holds months of patient work, both hers and theirs.
A single crate like this can hold the work of an entire hive. From meadow to road, the honey's journey to the plant has just begun.
Just a short ride keeps the honey fresh from hive to haul. 1 kilometer more, and the transformation begins. This building was designed to treat honey as gently as the hive does.
From here, Daniel and his team take over the process.
A facility built to feel like an extension of the meadow itself.
Even the architecture here takes its cue from the hive.
From up here, you can watch the entire process unfold.
Down here, the honey finally leaves the comb behind.
Uncapping is delicate work. Too much heat, and the honey suffers.
Balance matters here. An uneven load throws the whole spin off.
Nothing here goes to waste. Even the wax has its own journey.
Everything up to this point has been preparation. Now, the spin begins. This is the moment raw honey finally becomes liquid gold. The comb itself survives the process, ready to go back to the hive. Before it's bottled, this honey needs time to settle and clarify.
Patience does most of the work in this room. Too much heat destroys everything that makes raw honey special.
Clarified and warmed just enough to painting, the honey is almost ready.
From here, precision takes over from patience.
By the time it reaches the nozzle, nothing is left but pure honey.
Every jar gets exactly the same amount, down to the gram.
A tight seal keeps that first taste exactly as fresh as the extraction room. Phase 8, precision and finishing lines.
This is the last stretch before the honey leaves the building. Branding applied with the same care as everything before it.
One last human check before the jar earns its place on the shelf.
Every batch, without exception, gets tested before it ships. The analysis is complete. Retention times and peak areas confirm the required purity.
Excellent. Another successful batch cleared for release.
This scan connects today's jar back to Elena's hives, weeks ago.
Too much moisture, and the honey won't stay shelf-stable.
purity here isn't a guess, it's confirmed under glass.
Proved 10. The batch is cleared to ship.
Stacked and ready promptly. Each pallet holds a piece of the whole season's harvest. From meadow to market ProlinePro, the last few meters of a very long journey.
And this is how modern facilities turn a hive's work into honey you can trust. Free, from start to finish.
Subscribe for more real factory breakdowns.